What's up guys? Mga batang 90s dyan, mga boy band lover. Nanonood kami na 98 Degrees concert. Wow! Let's go!
Sorry.
Presented by Charm Fabric Conditioner. And last better than this, the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. To look you in the eye and tell you I don't love you. I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. I will. Thank you.
Guys, nostalgic sobrang sulit. Parang bumalik nung 90s. 98 Degrees boy band, the best. Thank you.